While it is important to use the most compelling and engaging material in your course, it is equally important to keep one thing in mind when working with images, video, and audio: copyright. This video will cover some basic rules to remember for image, audio, and video use. Do the fair use check. Fair use provides the opportunity for students and faculty to use copyrighted material for free as long as they meet certain criteria. Please see our fair use video for more information. Use Creative Commons material. Creative Commons licenses are public licenses that allow creators to have some control over how their material is used, while still offering it freely to the general public. There are, however, restrictions on the use of Creative Commons licensed works, and you'll want to review the terms of use for each license. Join a stock photo, video, or music site. Stock photos, videos, and music are much like Creative Commons content, except that you pay for a license. The subscription costs vary per site, so find one where the cost and number of content allowed per month meets your needs. Also, please read the terms of use. There may be clear restrictions on how you can use the material that you've licensed. Use sites like YouTube, Vimeo, and TED Talks. YouTube, Vimeo, and TED Talks have made it very easy to grab a video and use it. These sites have strict rules regarding copyright that uploaders must adhere to, so you can assume that the content is safe to use. If you want to use a video or audio clip in your own custom production, things may be a little bit more complicated. Taking a video as is and using it in a course or web page is different than taking a video and making it into your own work. You will need to get permission from the copyright holder to rework, rearrange, or build upon the existing video and/or audio clip. Visit and consider copyright-free resources. While there seems to be a lot of content that is protected by copyright, there is an increasing number of materials being created for use in education and scholarly research. A growing number of materials can be found through open educational resources, open access, and the public domain. Also, most government-produced works are not copyright protected and may be used without prior written permission. Just ask the owner for permission. Many copyright owners will let you use their works just as long as you ask first and attribute them properly. For information on how to do that, check out the Getting Permissions guide on the SJU Knowledge Base.